Investors in this stylish building can expect 15% rental returns. 15% rental returns. Sounds like a lot, right? But this is Digbeth in Birmingham, which according to the Sunday Times, is now the coolest place to live in the UK. The area has a great selection of old industrial buildings, a growing number of new digital and creative businesses, as well as a multitude of independent bars and restaurants. It's just a short walk from Birmingham city centre, part of a vibrant new cultural quarter that's transforming rapidly and where £1.9 billion is being invested to truly put it on the map. There is huge potential for serviced accommodation here, from both business and leisure visitors to Birmingham, making short-term rentals a particularly lucrative strategy. But if you're more interested in traditional buy-to-let rentals, Digbeth is now the most popular hotspot in the city for under 25s, giving you a second viable option for generating a passive income. This is a development that's highly likely to hold its value well and outperform the market growth of 15% over the next 5 years, meaning you could be sitting on a big capital uplift if you invest. Prices for 1- and 2-bed apartments start from around £222,000, and once complete, a specialist short-let management company will fully manage all aspects of the ongoing rental operation. For full availability, projections, floor plans, and a brochure, as well as details of our exclusive off-plan investor discount, register with ERE Property, and we'll be in touch with details.